Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 29, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 29, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, November 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 29, 2024, Friday. Here is tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, November 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 29, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.